So inside the box we get one user manual. This comes with 2 years of warranty, and this is the Hevel Zella immersion rod. You can see how beautiful this immersion rod looks. The build quality of this product is fantastic. There is also a temperature setting knob. You can select low, medium and high temperature based on your requirement. The functioning of this knob is also very smooth. On the top side you get one heating indicator. You also get a heavy duty 3-pin molded plug, which is very good. This is a 1000-watt immersion rod. You can also choose 1500-watt option. On the outside of the immersion rod there is protection cover. Hevels call this as touch protection cover to avoid any skin burning. This immersion rod has got a smart feature, so if the flaps are in closed condition, then the immersion rod will not work. So make sure that the immersion rod flaps are fully open for proper functioning. This dual flap can also be used as hanger for bucket. On the immersion rod you can also see the minimum and the max level for water. There is nickel plating on the heating element to prevent it from rusting. The weight of this immersion rod is just 800 grams. I have opened the flaps of the immersion rod and I will dip this into the bucket. So right now I have set the temperature to max. You can see that the power is on. Now let's see how much time does it take to heat the water and auto cut. Also this immersion rod is water resistant, which makes it shock proof. This immersion rod is best suited for bachelors, students, families जो relocate होती रहती हैं, and also for people who are on tight budget. You can see that water has almost heated up. The best part about this immersion rod is that it can be used in any bucket because the heating element will not be touching the bucket, and because of that there will be no damage to the bucket and bucket will not burn. So it took approximately 15 to 20 minutes to auto cut and water is quite hot. So now you can simply unplug and close the flaps. I wish there was a hook on the immersion rod to hang it. So either you can store it in a standing position or use the wire to hang it.